Hello and welcome back to the channel, and in this episode of making a leather satchel I'm starting to prepare the straps that go around the bag. As you can see, I've cut them out already and I've already pre-punched the sewing holes that go around them. And then it's going to be a couple of days of glorious sewing. So fast forward nearly 2 days of sewing and this is the results. Apart from aching fingers, I'm really pleased with how they've come out. There's the odd wayward stitch for some reason, but on the whole I'm really pleased with how it's come out. And as you can see, I've got to do a bit of finishing with these threads that are left over. So what I've done here is I put on part of the buckle on each strap and I folded over the leather on itself and stuck it down, and I've used some clips to hold in position, and I've preemptively put some holes in for the other end of the buckle when it's time to put those on. And this is what they look like once I've done the initial stitching on this part of the buckle with the cross stitch, which keeps it in line with what I've done on the sides of the bag and on the handle. And then here we are in situ on the bag in the position. I think it looks really good with the white stitching on the straps, really sets it off. And what I've done here is I've just pulled the straps down as far as they will go into the restraints, so it gives me slack on the other side of the bag to be able to stick with glue and then sew the other part of the buckle onto the strap. And finally, with it fully assembled for the strap on, this is what it looks like. I'm really pleased with it. The buckle's gone apart nicely, and we'll have a quick look inside. It looks absolutely hunky-dory. But yeah, really pleased with how it's come out. It feels really nice when you pick it up. Looks nicely finished on all sides. I've edged the side of leather on as well, so it's all stained the correct colour. So all I've got to do now is the main strap that goes from side to side. But anyway, thank you for watching this episode. We're nearly there, and thanks for sticking with it. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.